Hello? Support specialist. Okay, this is footage. Yeah, from the map, which we believe they're using XP overload, XP die, there's the scoreboard. Using mystical health. A few reasons, actually. But mainly one, when you shoot somebody in the foot, I don't think you're supposed to get a kill. On the same video, we will show you, me and my partner, we will show you what happens, exact same scenario. I'll show you the health, 100%. This, as I said in another video, they kicked us out, and we're gonna do a no-scope video because we smacked them. Okay, they won this map, but we smacked them 4-0 right. Which will be in, I believe, the first URL. This will be in the second URL. Then the no-show will be in the third URL. Then a message that they sent my partner will be in the fourth URL. I don't know how the message is gonna help. Let's just put it. Because why not? Okay, well, you're right. Well, what does the message say? Okay, well, yeah, you're right. That's no proof. Yeah, we're not gonna put that. It's really nothing. But anyway, we're gonna show you this. This is my partner here. Let's just watch this. Okay, he gets that kill. Let's just rewind that and watch his perspective. Okay, let's rewind that again. Go third person. No, not third person. Free roam. Hold on. Yeah. Okay, I'll hunt at this speed then. No, that's cool. Okay. Right. We'll have a soccer game tomorrow too. Didn't mean to record. Anyway, yeah. If we... Okay, bye. Okay, bye. Now, if you watch from right here... Sorry on this proof, but if you watch from right here... I'm watching from their perspective. It looks like he shot him through a car onto his foot. Let's watch this from here. See, that shot through the bumper. It went right there and just out the other side. So yeah. Then, oh, that's what I needed Jordan for. Ah, shit. Oh, who can I use? Andrew. So yeah, I think I have to get somebody in here. So I'm gonna end this video and do the other video, but I'll show you the health and stuff. So yeah, thank you for solving your dispute, and bye.